Yes. $25 phone. Oh, just a minute. 25. Much $25 phone. Much of them want? 19. All right, 50. Thanks, here?
No.
Alright. Cheese chips. Bag juice and cheese chips. Bag juice to quench your turn. $25 phone. Somebody else? Could I give me one little quick man? So what? This one hurting them. $25.
Nice man, good man. But take your pretty later.
For other day, I don't like how your face looking. I really don't like how your face look. Or your skin. Like a baby, a beat around.
You don't even understand. A peer problem. Mommy just stress me from what everything I me. She beat me, she beat me, come. Right now, I just want to give up.
Don't give up, man. I still have money, man, and make sure you say, oh, you're good and take it for around this.
Forget. Where are you, son? Come back here, son, to me. Come back here, son, to me. Me see how long you 2 years, man. Come back here, son. Stand up. Who him? Who him, me say? Trevor. Then, you know no ambition. Look at you. Shameless girl. Look on him type of man them where you take up. Eh? Where you turn up on the roadside they do? With man. Stop bring out here now. Where you do? Turn up, little girl. How you feel, say? You feel say you're a big woman? You turn up out here with Miss Joy's son? So how long it since you watch to him? Turn up!
Man, him not tough.
So little girl here, man. Miss if you stop from ring up your hand so.
I'm a friend.
Your friend. And he well hands up around you so. That's how friend go. You know what kind of hands up them you bring? Eh? You can't mind fit me. Look on the boy where they chat to. This a little dirty broke pocket boy yeah. Look on the boy where you chat to. Look on this a boy yeah. This a dirty foot broke pocket boy yeah, where you want to take up. Look here man. Me no want no more broke family. You understand? Me have as much broke family. No putting in our family. Me and Miss Joyce a friend. Me no want you fit there with his son. All when me and her a friend. You walk this now. Come go in here. Come go in here. That should have just now that me do your fingernails them feel. You see you look nice? Very pretty. Me do your toenail and everything and me do your hair. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're the big now you became a big woman because me see you do certain things for another day. So me notice say you have boyfriend. But anyway, the boy that when me see they talk to, me no like them kind of boy. You need to talk to man. We're responsible, ambitious man me dey talk. Look for me when me a talk to you. Man we have money and car. Me no want no uncared man on me gate. No bicycle man. You understand me? Man we drive expensive car. Me not talk a cheap one them. Because if you make no little poor man breed you, me no know how me and you go manage. Because you know, in a real life, let me tell you something. You see, certain things happened to me, in my young days. When me pregnant with you, I was 17, now you're 16. And you see what happened to me? Me no want to reach you. Me get pregnant with few dirty pooper when me did pick up. Cause me think him I did smaddy. Me think he could have helped me, but he couldn't help me. He tell me lie and trick me. And me get pregnant for him, so me have to stay with it, they suffer. Me couldn't take it no more. Me have to left him and go pick up another man. But the nether man is just the same like him. It never better. So me get pregnant with your sister. So this thing is going on and on, on and on. Me can't take it no more. My life end up in a sufferation. Be stress. I am a single mother. Me struggle a lot for mine, no. Me not have no man to help me nor nobody. It is very hard for me. Alone, now you turn 16. Me feel so you have to get a good man. Man with money and come in here, so me no want no broke pocket man in here. You understand me?
But me love Trevor.
You love Trevor? Trevor? You look a dirty football when you see with. Trevor a broke man. Me no want a broke man in my family. A time for we come out of poverty. Look good man we have money. Ambitious man.
Yes, mommy.
I hope you listen everything what me just said to you. I hope you take in here and learn a lesson. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
Anyway, one on the kitchen for one black bag go on them and send him some of his up. I will make you smile so.
So me can have one man too.
About your one man.
Mm.
Look for you to about your one man. You know your age? Your sister bigger than you.
So I don't think they can have man.
You're not ready for man yet.
How they-
She a big girl. She can go get man. She can come take care of you. About your one man. At 10 I gonna be the breadwinner in your soul. If you want to go to college at the money with 10 carrying a hit a figure send you. Me want you to stay as a virgin.
Mm.
You understand? So anything you want at 10 fi go, they go look the man and carry come give you. Happy balling, man. Happy balling. What for face? You know say I love you already. You know say I love you, man. Yeah, my best that time. Here, more your big sister go down and Jai said for this something, me already call her. So when she go down there, when the two of go down there, matter of fact, when you collect this something and carry me and make sure someone not still and watch her.
Mommy,
She chat to know idiot man do.
you ready?
You can't wait till you see me later.
Mm.
You know, come go down the road with her for me down so for the city.
I watch
And
him.
make sure someone come back on time. Remember if you watch him if you chat to know like a dirty butterfoot boy. Better make sure you chat with somebody with your money. Party na summer.
Social distancing.
Browning!
Wow.
Browning! Jesus. I tell you. Browning!
Awa. Me don't want a broke man.
You don't want no broke pocket, man. I say, yeah, go on with me. Oh, yeah, go on to Browning. Might look broke, but me have something in my pocket.
Keep it. Me wish you the best. Wait for me now. Wait for me. Never get talk to man. I'm tired. Can't get no back. Walk up and supplement. You will get. No. God is not walk up. Why? But you know we get. There we get. How we from tell me say what left me? We for me. Alright, come on. I thought lang come on. I carry me back good. We'll see. Time me say I'm not say lang for more. But me carry bag. But me carry bag. Nah, bag girl. You know the moment you cut out. You know what your partner for you. I leave me and me alone. Lang more. More lang like the dog. More lang. We are palm for me to say I want. We are back. We are back. Come on. I said never we get 10 to me. I'm not high. I'm not care what I do. I'm not fast. I'm lang for more too. I'm going to play a card. I'm going to look for work. Get to me help them.
Can't get going, you must get shorty. Shorty!
Yes.
Come here.
Walk on.
Come here.
Where you go? What you say?
You know, say me I want 2 grand and buy something.
Tell my car, I want to say that. Alright. I'm going to go with him, but I'm going to send you out. I'm come back.
Alright, now we are paying right, sister.
So far, man. I'm come back. See me? Alright.
Now we are, you know.
Get up, girl, and come.
Up, white to the green field here, right cup. Shut up.
And the way people them this so long time, I say no, them children there, I know them can't come. And just idle. Gone for the work, must have gone waste time, you know, with them. God, this choice. I mean, I understand how they not take so long to go. Hello. Yes, Miss Joyce. How are you doing today? Yes, man, I'm fine. Thank God I'm alive and well. Anyway, A long time now me send them picnic they down there to you. You know see them? What? Them come long time and leave. But me not see them. Lord Jesus. I wonder which part then they know. I hope they know you know no problem on the road, you know. Because the people them, some of them drive so bad. Hope no problem, no problem. No problem now. Go on today in the name of Jesus. Anyway, me I go walk, go down on the road and look if me see them. Alright, me can't believe so then left from fear yard. So long I know they not reach here, so. Something wrong. Me have to go look for them. Alright, anyway, little more. Yeah. Yes, man. We make it know if I no problem or whatever. Alright, thanks. Yeah. And you let me ever put parents in a problem. How long you send them down on Miss Jive's yard? See, they no easy at all. Them a blood pressure, them a stress, them a problem. You can't take them picnic. You can't take them. Wait till I hold the 110 it. My biggest one, you should know better. Go! 10. Wait till I hold you. I'm gonna do one things. And me run things don't run me. Look at girl, where you did there?
Mommy, 10 we start talk to one broke pocket man. You know what let me tell you, if you come on and he know what come on, me run and left him.
10.
Up there, so.
They talk to man.
And broke pocket man.
Come show me which part chili. Then they talk to no man. Make sure say not chat to nobody.
I want none of them women. See me come the mommy.
Where in there?
Me have come on, me have to tell her wait when I got that talk.
Wait for me. What if you have a woman and I meet her down there, so?
Where were you?
I chat see broke man.
She's in a weird pan.
Where did they?
And he go
Come on. Put on in the yard. It's a make me pick up. Yeah. It's a make me pick up ground. And it's dry before you reach to me here.
I chat see broke man.
Everything on me. Me. 10. And this a baby come sick. Baby, sick. Baby come and
Trevor, where you coming from? Where you coming from?
Mommy overrun them, did mommy.
Me not tell you say if you stop go people yard.
Mommy, chew, you have a game over there, mommy. I'm just go over there.
Where you not happy yourself, you leave it alone. Suppose you go over there and mash up the people then game. One game costs 2 because you go want one for yourself and you have to buy back the people then game. You think say me never have all of the lick them store up for you?
Mommy.
You fit here.
Mommy.
Leave people yard. Don't let people yard. Come on here. Come back here, son.
Mami kama mete mami siya lipinom sa amin. Wakakit tira man ako lang mo. Wala ba ako siya play for kang ba? Mami boss asam. Nagyan ko di bel da since di remember.
everything is in life.
Okay.
Okay.
Clean up that. Clean up that.
You better allow me, you know?
Charlie Pot.
That kitchen now.
Nah, must be food.
Come on.
No, man, I'm not biscuit outside the kitchen.
You know that kitchen. And just love me alone.
You threw the water in my
You
face.
never you me think of Susie.
May I?
Come go and tell me that Susie.
What?
What happened here, sir? You want me to big woman? Who want us to me?
Why
Why you throw the water for me?
Me never me.
And who threw the water for me?
Susie,
I go
me that
feed
try
them.
to come in and perfect me.
You know, come
Like, please.
in. Shut up with me. Me come in and come see you and me not to see. You and Susie have anything? You throw water in my face. You throw the woman now. Me the belt. Why you throw water in my face? Susie, you not have no manners. Eh? So you can't take man now. You start take man now. So you're ready to fight me. You're ready to fight me off. Eh? You may just say, honor your mother and your father so that your days may be long. Eh? That's why bad listener take me. Take man now. You must take man now. You take man now. You big woman. Me say you big woman in the answer to honor your mother and your father so that your days may be long. Eh? Una manners. Manners. Go on, you say. Oh, Tad, right.
Can't look for that father bar, mommy.
Oh, Tad, right. No matters. Put that water in my face. Don't tell me that you're sorry. I apologize.
I'm sorry I never you pick at Susie. See, look there for me.
I know that. Do it again. Do it again. No, wash it again.
Oh, rest, go slow, I rest.
Oh, Tad. Let me come back around here, you know, don't wash it with them, and cookie food. Let me come back around here and the plate, you know, don't wash. And you cookie food and you'll be see. You have one. Wash the plate there, you little and rude now what? Watch me and you.
Look there.
Little girl, look what happened? What happened? You see nothing? What happened now? There's something that talk for you, come tell me if you look that way, I do try to distract me.
And she, mommy, and give me ugly face.
Ugly face. What kind of face you think like lie? You say like my little sister, you cool lie. Cool lie. You could have said, stop tell lie. You're cool lie. You stop tell lie. But they come on so it never make me come up around here and give you some problem.
Tired one.
Get back and look up this man.
Why you boss on back eyes? Boss on back eyes.
So you don't want to read.
In that even holy, and me alone I carry everything.
The time then I carry bag.
Now, tired, you carry nothing. See what I told you upon me, you know. Me tired, no man, I have you wait. Carry them. I carry no. Let's go tell mum. Come on with the bag, let's go tell her like why.
Don't tell her like for me, no.
Never tell mum.
Don't tell her that time. You don't care, don't tell mommy say leave me with the bag.
You turn up with the bag, you not move. You're a woman, you turn up with the bag. Watch me, I. Chat off you more. Like him a woman, you alright. Watch me, I.
Alright, good on go tell her. One.
Mommy!
Call and me send you out. Where your sister there? How are you?
And then told me I'm in belly up the road. I don't have to carry bag.
I mean in company.
Told me I'm me belly up the road and I want him to carry back.
Where your name have?
So he want to give me what I back to carry and he walk well left me. And then me drop it back and run come down say him to carry him.
So she thumping in your belly. And she licking in your back too. Wait then. And they go straight up your road right now. Which part of your road in there?
You have a parachute.
Alright. Sit down right there so me soon come.
Alright.
Bossy asses from man. Listen on that girl. Them. One like a big woman. How long me send you out? 10-10. 10-10.
Mommy,
Wait. Asleep, you asleep?
me not sleep.
So what happened when I can sit down on the roadside? Me not send you out.
Susie left me back alone for me and me tired and me start doze off.
Where you lick Susie for?
Me not beat him, I never put me in for
You not lick your sister?
No, mommy.
Jesus, little girl make you lie so.
Mommy, me
Eh?
never lick Susie. Me
Get
never
up.
lick.
Get up. What happened to you? Me send you out from morning, you and your sister. She come home and you not come home. What your problem?
He left me with the bag alone and the bag heavy, so me have to take time and come with the bag.
You not lick your sister in her belly and in her back.
No, mommy.
You not lick him in her back and in her belly. From morning, me send take up your bag. Take up it, me. Take up your bag. Take up your bag. Take up your bag. Take up your bag. You're too water. Take up your bag. Come guy, you're too rude. From morning, me send out you. From morning, me send you. Guy, you're too rude. Guy, you're man. Backside. Oh, God. One like una big woman. Send out you, you beat up your sister and get on road and hide you. Guy, you're yard. Guy, you're yard. Guy, you're yard. Wait, Get it run. We sit in here, yo. One like una big woman before time. Jive! Yes? Give me a minute. They come here. I want to talk to you.
Come.
Jive,
Yes.
good evening.
Good evening.
You know, so I know you a long time.
Yes.
We have come from far, far, far back. Way back when.
That is true.
Me come to talk to you about your son. Him won't leave my daughter alone. And me don't want him get my daughter pregnant.
Me go call him and me go talk to him. I know so me grow him, you know. I'm father in get it from.
Me no like it, Joyce, and me no want me if have nothing sake of pitney because sometimes children make parents and parents in a problem and me no like it.
Sorry for my son behavior and me apologize for him behavior. But me hear say you down there I beat up your daughter them. Right? So why you beat them like that? You're not afraid they get in trouble. You be go to prison for that.
You know, say one of them may beat. I know it two of them are just one. And me not spare no rather than spoil no child. You understand?
You will go to prison.
Prison. The judge will understand.
Okay.
All right, me gone.
Trevor!
Yes, mommy.
Come here, come here, let me buy you one patty.
Where's that, mommy?
Come here, come here, let me buy you one patty. Come your favorite son, come here, the yard.
Come here now, so me watch TV, you know, man.
Alright, when you're ready, you go back and watch TV.
Come, give me a message.
Look here, stand up right there. Cherry come and make a complaint to me. Say you won't leave our daughter alone.
Mommy,
Why you won't leave Cherry daughter
Mommy.
alone?
Cherry a liar.
Yes.
Mommy,
Yes.
Cherry a liar. A baby thing down there beat off in daughter. Now.
So she beat off her daughter then for you. To you, why she beat the daughter or she beat the daughter for something else?
Me don't know, you just a busy girl for nothing. You want to see girl and mommy.
Mommy got me. Yeah, got me. Me so.
Push me, baby. Come. Just say, alright.
Get me to your mommy.
We need to talk to you phone. Me, I'm sending us somewhere.
Send them to you. Down.
10.
What, mommy?
Want you and your sister to go up a mass Joe for some sweet potato for me.
Send them to you, mommy.
You hear what me say?
Yes, mommy.
You want her to go up a mass Joe for the sweet potato and make me wait for you. You hear what me say? Anyway, where you get can from? You not going iPad?
I did call in iPad.
Look on there. Don't put it back in your mouth.
Me eat your no give me money.
You take out can out iPad and you give your sister none. So you sit down this was the bigger one and eat in front of your smaller sister and you give none. Give me the can. Give me. Don't eat no more. Let it go. I'll go back in my pot. Out of that. Come on, baby. Eat up. Come. Stop. Eat. You can enjoy your can here. Alright. You know something lovely already. Go back in my pot again and see what me do to you. Out of that. Don't take things we don't give to you. You is a thief. I ain't not reach no way. Later me time on ice cream for you, remember me? Alright. Alright, baby. Me a wait for you, you know. Me a wait for you to go up a mass Joe for the potato. So me a wonder why you sit down there so long.
I'm not gonna go with me.
Take your can and go on with her. Up a mass Joe. Come, give me the plate. Take out the can and go on with it. Go on, get up, follow her. Help her carry
Give
the
me
can.
time to wrap up me at time.
Wrap up her ear.
We're gonna wrap up it for you.
Wrap up
it right here, son. To take care of your sister out of that. I don't like your style.
One. Ow, dick thing.
Take time with her here. Take time with her here. Take time with her here. Time with her here. One up here. One up there. Look how long me away from you. Right? Let me tell you something.
Wrap up me here, baby.
Come on, one. What's that? Just you kind of thought this one. When you know you had to feel here. Come on.
Mommy, makina run.
What? Run, me say. I take a stone and bust your head. Hold your sister on. I no go left him. Oh, Tada. Let me wait for you. You will see. And you will see. Yes, you. Me turn up down here and wait for you. You come like a worthless pooper.
Oh, remember me? Remember me?
What is that, boy?
Where mommy? What me money there?
Which
you
money?
promised me a few go there, go there.
Come up there, you never did that.
Come up where? You know, allow me. Come, give me money.
You see, see,
How much is that?
Sir,
$350. That can't do. Me want me $2,000.
you give me 2,000. What about you give me 2,000?
Girl,
You see,
you take money from man.
me not take money.
What happened?
he take me $2,000. He must sell me
Lie.
some of the fruit.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Lie, what
Me and
you
I go a green field.
Never happen.
Listen me. Me want me money and not moving here. Is that they give me some of that or you give me money?
You know what? Me not no money, but anything she promise me can't give you.
All right, give it up.
Come,
Go on where I go.
you can go up this way.
Mommy, can't turn up the road with the broke boy, gone in a bush up the road. Come on, we go up there, come on. 10, the broke boy, mommy, carry one umbrella, can let rain and go fall, mommy, come on.
In a bush.
Carry umbrella, rain and go fall.
Alright, my dad.
Come on. Run na, mum.
Me can't run.
See ma come, see.
I'm tired, me home.
Ten na, mum.
Yeah. Hello, little girl. Where they come from in a bush with man?
Tell her, mommy.
Eh? Where they come? Eh? Me not. Put them in the yard. Take out this. Put them in the yard.
I'm alone. You can't live, Father God, help me. Never be take me life, Father God. Take me life, and just take me life. I'm tired. Me go kill myself. Can't manage no more. Can't manage it, Father God.
You little girl. How you feel like? You feel say you're a big woman? You think you're a big woman? Hmm? So you want to turn workless like your workless pooper? Hmm? And that you want?
No.
You want to breed, panic. Hmm? The little dirty nasty workless poor boy when me see you with the broke pocket boy in a bush. How him?
Yeah, explain, but you know what?
Explain? You did use condom? You use condom? Me say if you use condom, you use condom.
You get no money.
You use condom? Me say if you use condom. Oh, you for what? You want me to in your gut and kill you? And you pick me in there and kill you. Worthless. Good. Down out. Good. Let's go out the bathroom. Go and let's go out the bathroom right now. Get up. And when you're done, you pack up your stone them out there. So let's go out the bathroom right now. Make sure you go out the bathroom and take up all the stone them and pack it out. And straight up the bathroom.
I'm managing no more. Every day I beat. Every day I have something to do. I have a time for myself. I have a career. Nothing at all. Father God, remember you take me. Take me, Father God. Just take me. If you don't take me, I'm going to run from that place.
I don't want to look at the head.
Man, and the lady not giving up bag or not.
So you want me to carry two, see me not help you. 3, and you carry 2, we carry 1. Alright. I know the 7 people. Stand up there. Wait. Me see if you can't help. Wait.
I can't hold.
Wait, let me try to set it something good. I try to
Can't hold.
Wait, let me set it something good. Wait, let me push up your stomach.
Can't push up my tongue.
Push up your stomach, listen now.
I can't hold.
Since I jam, everything. Come on. Walk up. You tell me, say, you know, can you see man down the road?
Can't bother, you know. Susie, this unfair, man.
Carry it. And then we get. I'm hungry.
And I will away eat it. Come on. Can't bother.
I'm going to tell you, I'm carrying a nice something. So just walk and come with it.
That's alright.
You don't struggle with them academy, you know?
Mommy never want me carry. No.
Susie don't help me none at all.
Thanks for the night, Alright, sit down.
Mommy,
Yes.
I don't know hungry, you know.
Every time I talk, you know?
Shut up, mom. But I get nothing, yeah.
Wait. Take him man. Well, like you don't want him, you know, so I'm not hungry. And make sure you stay on your mouth if you know your sister would. Stop it now. Ten, come here.
You have come with me.
Right now.
Stop it, Jen. Why don't you got me juice? You switch me juice? Let's me switch it. Let me feel it. Don't I'm going now, come on, me juice. Let me feel this then now. Come let me feel it. Come let me feel it now. You see all the way that make me like it. I want to kill you, you see. You see, you just have to poke me, you know. You just have to poke me.
Alright, break it up. Hello. I want to go on your son. We are fight her for your son.
I'm coming to you, I should drink you while I'm in juice.
Yes, boy, hold up head. Will you drink her something, Jennifer? You drink it?
No, mommy,
You sure you're not drink it? You drink off your supper, Jen.
No, mommy.
You drink off your supper, Jen. So true, you're bigger than her. You want to take away from her. I saw no other to drink loud. That's a rude man. Take female and drink it back. Wait. Drink it. Oh, Tada. Why don't you so clean up the place? But clean up the place, man. You're too rude. Because you're bigger and you're rude like some little picnic. You understand, you know? Drink it, come. Drink it. Hey, come take up your rubbish, too. Oh, Tada. Go and take it up. Take up your empty box so you drink water. And if you tap tail like, tap tail like, man.
I want man. You can't come sit down over there, son.
Why you eat me? What me do to you?
You don't know what day, man. In a one good mood. Just go and go sit down now. You can't come poke up me, you know.
You know, I'm sister, me love you. What make you eat me? Love me. What me could I do for you eat me, so?
Stop poke up me, man. Stop.
So me can't have a conversation with you?
What you say? What is love?
You can't calm down sometime.
What you say?
Come on, want to best for you 2 weeks away, your sister.
Don't think about yourself. Me good.
Why you jealous over me?
That touch me now.
Me not have nothing, you know. Me have one sister. Me not have nothing over you. Why you jealous?
I'm jealous of you, girl. What do you? When I stop poking up me?
You make me a beat me for nothing at all most of the time.
Because you think that boyfriend, I'm gonna have none.
I can't that. Everything me I do for your mommy because her mommy put me out of way.
Yeah.
And mommy, you know, we got have man and sign up for help out, you know. Cause we don't have nobody already. I just sit cheer away. You know what's between me and you? I just want a little boyfriend me want. And mommy want me have big man for the weed. I'm never ready for that yet. But me still do it for me and you know, benefits out of it. Me not happy. Me I do this for you.
Not touch me.
Me never want this, you know.
Not touch me.
Me love you, you know.
I'm gonna come back and sit down. I'm gonna stop it. Stop it! No. Sit down.
I ain't moving.
Give yourself. Who is it?
A good boy, Trevor.
Trevor.
Miss Joy's son.
Oh.
Mommy said to give this. Piece of wedding cake.
Tell her thanks very much. Yes, please. All right, tell her thanks.
Sorry.
Excuse, sorry, later.
What I did, Mr. Shot.
Tell her thanks. Stand up there. So excuse, you look like you're up to something. 10. You see that piece of cake here, Miss Jai send it to me. A wedding cake. Me no want none of the two no trouble. You understand? Me go put in a fridge. You're in charge. Take care of the place. Make sure so when I come back, the place tidy up. You hear me? Okay. Nobody no trouble me here. Alright then. Later. Get up and come here. Later. And make sure so the place clean up. Come here, my baby. Come here. Me love your hair. Mm-hmm. You have to behave yourself. Sit down. Sit down.
Right now, get up and go do what you're supposed to do right now. Where are you about? You know, see, make your broom touch me, but I couldn't say sorry. I said, if you do nothing in the house, I run long, mom. I tell me, say, take your broom, let me know. Look how you do the chair, me just fit up. But I mean, man, if I want to say, you go over this one.
Wake up. Where the cake? Where the cake when me left in the fridge? Where the cake that when me left in the fridge? Get up, get up. Me dey talk to you. Me dey talk to you. Where the cake? Where the cake when me left in the fridge? Me not tell you if you not trouble the cake. Why you eat the cake? And give me a talk. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up, me dey talk to you. Looking at me big bulb behind me. Where the cake? Where is the cake? What Miss Jai's son carry up and come give me? Where the cake then? So then big. Where the cake? Where the cake when me left in the fridge and eat me the ask about?
The fridge in the fridge, wrong here.
I ran cake. So where the cake when me left in the fridge and me not see it?
Me no know.
And this a fake cake here.
Me not eat no cake.
Not this Miss Jai's son can come give me.
Me no know, mommy.
What cake what that they do for your mouth? You, no you. No you eat it. And what that for your hand? You eat it, see evidence there. Let me tell you so when time they left from you. Eh?
We must clean up.
No
and
eat
clean
it.
up.
No eat no when no give to you. That tea, that tea, that tea, that tea. Hold it and me rest. Hold it.
Never man, what's about
Hold
people?
it. Hold it and eat the rest. You near me till your belly full, you can't go no further. Finish it. What me say if you do? Open it, open it, open it. Open it and eat it. Finish it, eat it. Near me with your hand there, you don't want no far. Take your time, eat it. Take out teeth and eat it before me put on lick on your backside. Your two teeth. You not eat your piece, you have the woman. Get up and carry around the kitchen, go throw in the bin. You fit tap Frankie. Ask for things, get up. Tap Frankie. Tap.
$97?
Hey! What should I get?
Me I get my head coming.
Everything not come out? So let me see it now.
He not come out yet.
Now one come, 97.
So me I get 100. How he not come out yet.
Hello? Yes. I lie. Result come out and your son get 94. That sound good. That mean you when they do good in a school then, man. Result come out. But you know, so the internet slow. Cause my two daughter them out there so pan for them laptop, you know. They wait pan for them result for come in. But you know the internet slow, man, it go down and it come up. So I wait a little bit more. Congrats to your son, ma'am. Alright. When the result come in, we will make you know how much my daughter them get to. Yes. Alright, they come on. Take up on this. Alright.
Yes, mommy.
Eh?
I'm not coming in.
Oh, no.
Now one come in.
You want come in?
Yes, mommy.
You're not coming in.
97.
This is okay. 97. Good. But next time 100 you forget. That's you want to say?
Yes.
100 you forget. That would you need to do better.
I'm not coming in.
Mommy, fear result come in. Me hear when he come in. But she don't want to show me. Come in, look, mommy.
Your result come in?
Yeah, come in.
Your result come in?
No, I'm not coming in.
For sure.
I'm not coming in. See them.
Let's see where.
Yeah, they're not coming in. Sure.
Let go. Let it go. Let's see. 46.
Me and I with my homework, I even tell me
What
come
you did
in.
do at school?
Me and I with the homework, and me help add up the grades.
Clear.
Mommy,
You waste so much time or what?
Mommy, not help with me, woman.
She not help you?
Not help.
Why you not help her?
Travel.
You don't know say you help your sister.
Mm.
Eh? You have to help your sister.
No.
You want to see your sister pun good for nothing, girl.
Help mommy.
What do you mean she don't want no help?
She not
You're supposed to help your sister. Yeah, little girl. Go and get like I do. Have your little sister and you're not help it. Why you not your sister? And you know what? No dinner for you tonight. You're not get nothing for eat. You're not get nothing for eat. Nothing for eat. You too. Hey.
I can't sleep on the ground, mommy. Can't sleep on the ground. No. I with my woman. So, mommy said I will get the ice cream and come to pass the test, mommy, please.
No.
Mommy. Like when me get 97, me can get the ice cream, please.
I know that. Can't take it. Alright, you know, I'm going to sleep on it here.
See for him. I'm saying.
So you gonna take time now? Mommy. Yes. Which money? Me never take out no money, mommy. Susie a walk in front of me. I come up now. Me a come. Susie. You take the money out of mommy purse?
I'm tell the money that mommy purse. Can I mommy purse at that about?
Mommy just tell me.
I'm talking about no foolishness. Come on, now. I can't go past the sister.
Surprise. In this front of me.
Where you go? Mommy! Where you go? What do you?
How many pounds dollar there?
Mommy.
I know you take out it.
Mommy, search me. We don't have no money, mommy.
10.
Yes, mommy?
When me $1,000 where did in my bag?
Me not know.
10. When me $1,000 where did in my bag? Now you go in my bag to take out the money. Eh?
No, mommy.
And who?
Me not have no money.
Mommy, searching, mommy.
Hey, hold on. Let me talk to you. And you me the talk to now. Where is the $1,000 that was in the bag? Who take it out?
Mommy, me not know.
You know, your Susie tell me say you take out the $1,000 because she see you with it. So Susie,
To clean your room. Mommy, me not take out no money.
so Susie not see you with $1,000. Eh? You don't have it.
No, mommy.
You're sure say you don't have it?
Yes, mommy.
Alright, hold up here. Because some of the little young girl, no thief on no parents money, no take it push it down all in a Brazil. Who thief?
Searching, mommy.
Thief, man. You're a thief. I'm a thief. And I saw me grow you. You thief me $1,000. Wait a minute.
Hey! Hey!
Hold on. 10. See? This look like $100 to you.
Mommy, me not know.
That look like $100 to you.
Mommy,
Me $1,000.
See?
You take me $1,000.
me never take you up.
Mommy, what is there, mommy?
Come back right here, son. Much time I tell us when I talk to you, nothing move. Come here. 10. I saw me grow you.
No, mommy, but mommy, me
Me
never take it.
Little girl, when me they talk, shut up your mouth. 10. Me say if I saw me grow you.
No, mommy.
10.
Beat him, mommy.
You come and count on thief. I shame you want shame the whole family. So you come to call down disgrace for me. Eh? Who tell you to thief out my money? Ask for things, do not take it.
Lick it,
Unless
mommy.
me give it to you. I see you go on road, go thief people things. 10, come here. 10. When me can take out the money? The one money when me have to buy the pound of chicken back and the rice to cook one. I said, who put it in your pocket? Who put it in your pocket? Who put it in your pocket? Come here. Who put it in your pocket? Eh? Who put it in your pocket?
How I go on pan with that, sir?
So I'm gonna look like him a beating daughter, or I don't know if I'm picking her up.
Yo, Jack, what them with me talk? I don't like see some man. The girl look good to you, know.
Lick it,
Who
mommy.
put it in your pocket? Who put it in your pocket? Who put it in your pocket? Eh? Who put it in your
Money.
Give me that. Who put it in your pocket? Who?
I just get your kicker.
You see you, lick it here.
Lick
Top
it,
front
mommy.
thief. Top front thief.
Lick it, mommy. Stand up, stand up. Yes, mommy. Lick it, mommy.
You feel here.
Lick him.
You feel here.
Lick him.
You feel here.
What go on that, sir?
You're mad.
Hold on.
Don't thief. Hey. You got that.
How I go on that, sir?
Little girl thief out me $1,000 out of my bag.
Take mommy money.
Where is that going?
Me $1,000, the $1,000 when me have to take him buy chicken back and rice, give them for dinner. Cause their father gone left them for me.
Boy, man, calm down, man. Calm down. Oscar,
What you mean, sir, tell me if you calm down? Me don't have no more.
for yourself, man.
Take mommy one money.
Me want me money from him.
Now, what much cent take?
$1,000. And me want it.
This is $1,000 when you take. And by yourself.
How more you give me, sir?
Yeah, man.
I force from me band one man give me so much money. How much money you give me?
Now yourself, man.
I'll give him none, mommy.
What?
Listen.
Calm down, moment.
$10,000. Thanks.
Listen, listen.
Sit on one side and give me a pen.
Can I talk to your daughter for a minute?
Why, sir?
No, man, ask her if she really take the money still.
We team.
Shut up, little girl. Do I know you?
I'm Curious King. I'm the one here on the radio all the while.
Are you?
Yeah.
Backside. Nice meeting you, sir.
Yeah, man.
Nice meeting you. Me glad to meet you.
Yeah,
You're a
man.
very nice man. I always hear your voice on the radio. You know?
Yeah, man.
Yes, me glad to see you. Go sit on one side. Nobody not talk to you if you have manners.
Hush, young one, because I'm down there, so I see some kickers where I get. I mean, I think it's natural, though. But you don't know. You all right, mommy?
God bless you for the God bless you for the 10 grand we you give.
That's just some change, man. I true, me just come out from the room and the money pan. But you don't know.
Thank you very much.
Where you girls live?
You know, say, we live down on the road down this and ground the corner. I kind of don't remember where the address name because I just moved from there. You know, I rent one place down
Go in
there.
the car. Go in the car. We're going
And where you carry go, sir? Because we can't go with people, you know.
I'm going to jump in down one of them, man.
You carry, then
You
look how
carry
we stay,
no
sir. You carry poor people in your
Yeah,
car.
man, we're going to box.
Then they kind of carry them and never go in there yet, me afraid.
Don't worry yourself, man.
All right.
You're running with the king.
All right. So nothing I go do it.
All right. Young man, get in the car. Come on this side. Come on this side. Come fast.
All right. Curious King. Okay, it's Curious King. Same name me here on the radio. Me live right here, so sir. Right here, so you can come in, man. You can come in. Yes. You don't have to take off your shoes, you know. Come on. You can come inside, you know. You don't have to take off your shoes. Have a seat over there, sir. Curious King over there, so you have to sit down and hear see that for the day. All right.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to ensure that you guys, how much money does it take to run the household for a weekly basis?
Shut up, I'm not have no man. This opinion on no man as though $15,000. Curious.
All right, so what I'm
Have
going to do,
manners.
I'm going to ensure I send you girls at least 20,000 per week. And see if we can help on yourself and try elevate yourself. The rent house thing not going to work, so soon as I go back on tour again, I'll put that in mind so I can even buy a place to stay for myself, for not paying rent. And maybe start to do a little shop owner and community look help on yourself. You know what I mean? Because I remember days when nothing never there go on for me, you know what I mean? Before me start the music and everybody turn them back for me. All I did need a little help. So I'm gonna see if I can help you girls. You know what I mean? And you have some nice kids here, so I think you should try not beating them so much because I know this pressure of life would make you do crazy stuff.
Curious King.
Yeah.
My story is so long. It's like a book. Can't tell you everything, but me I go tell you some. These two children that you see me with on the street, reason why I beat them, I suffer. Suffer a lot in real life without father. I am a single parent. I have no one to help me, so it's like he's Jason. So thank God I met you. And I wish I could meet you even earlier. But all these things that you tell me that you're going to do for me right now, I swear to God, I give thanks. And I thank you very much. Because I never book anyone on this earth like you. You're a very kind man. You're a very, very kind man. Anyway, Curious King, you know you look nice. You look very nice, you know. You know, say friend, you come up there so when I beat my daughter, I they look on you still, but true me, I pay attention to she, me name want you to see me, you know. You look nice, very nice.
Thanks.
You're married?
No, I'm not.
You're not married?
No, I'm single.
Then such a rich man like you, such a kind, loving man, not married, then you have no girlfriend, no time.
Oh, when it comes to that now, I'm single. Well, now I come back to Jamaica, me think that time enough me get a wife. You know what I mean?
You want a wife?
Want a young girl, want a young enough girl where we can bear some kids from it. 'Cause you know, the kids them is
Really?
them really important.
And two kids alone, me have more than like 3 or 6 more. You don't want to be your wife?
No, I'm not into like whole female me in like just young my age group.
So Curious King.
Mm.
What you tell me, say? Me an old woman for you?
Well, you're a very attractive big lady, you know what I mean? And no insult or anything, you know what I mean? But what I'm looking for is a young female that no have no child and like that as yet, you know what I mean? So I could start something fresh. Because me myself now have no youth yet. Someone that want to be, you know, just mutual nonsense.
None of me two daughters them don't have no youth yet neither.
The one where they are beat, where they said stole the money. I don't know if she's a thief, but she don't look that way to me.
You like that one there?
I like
No,
that
me,
one.
I mean that.
Little girl sit down and shut up your mouth when you hear big things like that. So, what you say to me? You like my big daughter?
Yes, I do like your big daughter. You know what I mean? You're a very beautiful woman. That's the same, you know what I mean? But I like the big daughter here.
Well, you know, say for all what you do for me and my children them, right away me that give you my daughter.
But I don't want to do it that way. I would like to know that she like me. You know what I mean?
No, he like you. He like you. He like you.
So what I will do though, when I leave my number, you can give me a call and tell me, you know, we take it from there. But either, if she don't like me or anything, everything is good because there's a lot of women in the world that would like to be with me. But I'm going to leave the option open, you know what I mean? So if she get to me, maybe we can go somewhere and talk about it. But either way, that you guys will be safe. You know what I mean? I'm going to interest in some fun. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So what I do now, I have to go up on the road. I got to go to the studio now. I got some dub session to do. Because this is how the music industry is. But don't beat her anymore.
I'm not beat her no more.
You know what I mean? Give the youths them love, you know what I mean? Because this is what they need in this time. By the game play, so I don't really want to rush things. I only want to know, say, anybody more choose like me. You know what I mean? Anybody that choose like me, if they don't like me, it's okay, I'm good. So I don't want,
Shut your mouth.
so you know.
You're not getting me saying like that one day. Anyway, I'm my favorite daughter this. She's a very nice girl. You can get that one here.
Only when I don't want to rush and nobody force somebody on me. Only if the person like me, I will take it from there.
He have man resta.
Hello.
Hello,
Curious.
Hello, have manners. Nobody not talking to you. Sit down.
Your best daughter know. Your best daughter
Stay
know.
one
Let
place.
her resta everything go out.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up.
I'm dealing with your mom.
Right. Stop it here, no manners.
Please, already.
Anyway, nice meeting you, sir. It's my pleasure meeting you. I'm glad to meet you, you know, because I don't know what would I do. When they suffer with you, God bless you. And you go talk to me that about you. You write down your number and put it down there already?
Yeah, man, I get to go before I leave.
Okay, all right. Have manners, child.
Look, one body I think you need to take her up in hand. You know what I mean? Because when people is talking, I don't like see look up people them are too fresh.
She don't have no manners.
You know what I mean? So apart from that, you have some nice kids.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, but that one does throw me off a little bit. But it's okay though I know that some of them, when them born, their head not so good. I know you're a fat man. So don't really blame myself and yourself so much about it. Just pray to God. But anyway, I need to go on the road. I need to go do some dub session. You know what I mean? So
you're going to leave now?
So I'm gonna leave now,
Yeah.
and either whatever the result is, you guys will be taken care of. You know what I mean?
Yes.
I don't feel for money. I work hard for it. You know what I mean? So
Let me walk you outside.
Alright, that's good.
Yes.
Usually that's
All right, thank you very much.
You girls have a nice night now. I'm gonna send you something nice. Here, Browning. I don't know what to give you. You know the manners.
You want nothing.
Get up and go over there first. Oi, you just kiss a tita for me. You need to have manners. Have manners. You don't have no manners. Don't fool you when me talking to you, man. Go on over there so go sit down. You can outside and know what. Boy, my daughter. You alright?
Yes, mommy.
Alright. Never talk to you. But the gentleman will come in there. I will tell you nothing. When he come? Remember when he come? A while ago. See then? You are me glad me to meet you. And since 19 come, actually, anyway. He named Curious King. Did you when he tell me?
Yes, mommy.
He give me number. And he's a very nice man. He rich. He have money. And he might go help you out of sufferation. He already start help with you. You see him give me $10,000 already. And he might go help with give you house and kind of sit me and start support you for life. And then the man them want your figure. Then the man they are good man, ambitious man, money man. When you're there with them, the man they you don't have to work on them. If you get pregnant feel, you don't have to fret out. Pick me and go mine and me not have this and me not have that. He can afford it. So listen to me now, my daughter. I love him that and you know say I love you already. You need to talk to him. And him no want you to deal with. Marry him too. And make him give you a lot of children because I need so many grandchildren to come up in life so I can give them many kisses. You understand?
Yes,
And
mommy.
remember say, you have to take care of we. Is you is the breadwinner. See God bless one man come. Right come bless you. On the road. Eh? Who could it be? Nobody but Jesus. Girl, marry him. Me going to make you talk to him on the phone because he tell me say you ain't like.
Yes, mommy. I love Trevor.
Don't talk about that boy. That boy. You see that boy there, Jai's son? Broke if you go there with him, your life gone straight down to poverty. Me say, listen to me, I know you are choose for yourself now, you know. And me they choose for you. And when me choose for you, you need to look into it and see say I no lie me they tell. You can't they suffer and go take up sufferer. You be dead, and me no want you to dead. You know say me love you already. Sit down and think about it. And of course me force you to dead with him in my daughter, but that good me want for you. Best me want for you. Me they look for the best you out of life. Trevor, me nah nothing for you. Them the boy they have nothing for you. What this boy them, they not work. Go school and waste them parents' money. And a one-on job. Listen, think about it. Curious king, ambitious man. Then the man they know why you talk to. I tell you already, I'm going to tell you again. Think about it. And nobody go on like no fool, you know, come. You know how no young girls stay so, you know. You know, rather take up the poor man, them we cannot help, you know, and the one them we can help, you know, them one side. Which man, from you understand yourself, you ever seek your money come give your mother? You know, sister, we dead for you hungry. And that this man come out of the blues, come save we. Girl, think about it. You know, say me love you already. You feel, want a lot of grandchildren. You feel make him have a lot of children with you. And you married. He give me a number. So me I go call him and make you talk to him. You hear? And if he asks you, listen to me. You see, if he asks if he married him, nobody say no. What me say?
Me not say no.
Tell him yes. Mommy see a man like you if you married, ambitious man. You hear what me say?
Yes, mommy.
Then the man there, when you and them there, you not suffer. If you get you pregnant, you don't have to worry yourself. You pick me alright, you go live comfortable alright. You know, the man say, I'm going to help you. And he start help you already. One more you want. Dirty food check. Catch your back with him, you will see. What you think about Hero Skin? You don't like him?
You don't know him.
You don't know him, but you see him. Don't think from a weird. Don't just hear when he talk to you. Little girl, think twice. Not take up no little dirty poor boy, you will suffer. You know, see your time hard?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. You know, say you're a nice girl already. You call her sexy. Then the man they will buy anything you. Pretty clothes, anything to make you look nice. You think say Joyce boy can buy that you? No matter with you again, a matter of fact. You see, anytime they talk to you about Curious King, don't mention Joyce boy name to me again. Cause not even the name of him me not like here. Calling him back to me again. They look on me. They look on me. Breathing on dirty foot. Cheap boy, we poor and nothing to help you, you risk what? And that me send you to school for? Me send you to school to go stick up lower than you? You have to have ambition. Have ambition. A Curious King me like. He is going to be my son-in-law, whether you like it or not.
Yes, mommy.
Anyway, remember say me I'm gonna make you talk to him. Not now, but when me call him, me will make you talk to him. Think about it.
Yes,
When me come back, me want an answer. No, but I think about Joyce boy again.
yes,
You hear me say?
Yes, mommy.
Okay.
Boy,
Until you eat. Time full of food, let them up. Alright, well.
Good morning.
So,
Tired. But last night was amazing. I'm need to get some rest.
alright, so. Your mother this year. Alright, so I'll check you later.
I'll call you. How about sister? You alright? Where you do that for? Can't bother you, man. Mommy,
What happened right now?
me just a come. I should put her foot up my way from the drop.
Why you always behave like that?
before the inner way, you know, step over.
I'm your bigger sister, and you always be a certain type of way. You need to behave yourself and respect your bigger sister.
Since when? I gotta get licky. And you?
Listen to me, man.
We not perform the SRE, but
Respect elderly people. That's why some of them not live long.
You know, but up to that, man. Good morning. We gotta say alright.
And your mother and your father so that your business belongs. So what happened?
No, me are going to
Alright.
sleep. Yes, mommy, I'm tired.
Yeah, but man.
Yes. Here, give me something to give you.
Your son-in-law send me money.
Yeah.
so you wanna live?
What a nice man.
Licky.
Very nice man.
I'm going to
Get me
At least he take me out of poverty.
Alright. I'm going to go sleep.
I can't come up here so. I come here come to money to you love money too much. You love money too much. And you feel stuck there in something there. And your bigger sister.
When I return, I'm going to love money too.
They speak me people lily.
Go on, licky now.
Licky. They speak me people lily. Remember me tell you, you feel have manners. Have manners. And I scare through the road, they can out hard and over. Okay. I know, you want a little girl. Get up, manners. Get up before me take your hand. Get up. Go inside. Go inside. And manners, they pop on long up your motor for me like me outside. In town, June time already, people will start take man look one like you want to have to hear him send you in show. Bright. What's up?
Bishop, come on, dear, come and see. Look on his phone and funny. 97? Hi! How much I get?
We'll get my head camera.
The result not come out? So let me see it now.
He not come out yet.
Now one come, 97.
Show me I get 100. How he not come out yet.
Yeah, I see.
Tell me I get no watch.
How much I get?
Listen, you're a teacher and you come out yet.
I would suck on me. Hey, Miss Joyce. Okay. Hello? Yes. Hey, I lie. Result come out and your son get 94. That sound good. That mean he when they do good in a school then, man. Result come out. But you know, so the internet slow. Cause my two daughters, them out there so pan for them laptop, you know. They wait for them result for come in. But did you know the internet slow, man? It go down and it come up. So now wait a little bit more. Congrats to your son, ma'am. Alright. When the result come in, we will make you know how much my daughter them get to. Yes. Alright, they come on. Check up on them to see what they're up to. Alright. Result coming?
Yes, mommy.
Eh?
You not coming in yet.
Oh, not coming in.
Now one come in.
See one coming in?
Yes, mommy.
So you're not coming in.
97.
Let me see. Okay, 97. Good. But next time 100 you forget. That's see what I said?
Yes, mommy.
100 you forget. That good. We need to do better.
You not coming in.
Mommy, fear result come in. Me hear when he come in. But she don't want to show me. Come in, look, mommy.
Your result coming in?
Yeah, come in.
Your result coming in?
No, you not coming in yet.
You sure?
You not coming in yet. See them.
Let's see where
Yeah, they not coming in yet.
let go. Let it go. Let's see. 46.
Me and I with my homework, I even tell
What you do at school?
Me and I with the homework and he help add up the grades.
Clear.
Mommy,
You waste so much time or what?
Mommy, nah help with my homework.
She not help you?
Nah help.
Why you not help her?
Jungle.
You don't know say you help your sister.
Hmm.
Eh? You fi help your sister.
No.
You want to see your sister pun good for nothing, girl.
She don't wanna help me.
What do you mean she don't want no help?
She don't
You're supposed to help your sister. Yeah, look up, girl. What we get like you have your little sister, you're not help it. Why you not your sister? And you know what? No dinner for you tonight. You're not get nothing for eat. You're not get nothing for eat. Nothing for eat. You too. Hey.
I can't sleep on the ground, mommy. Can't sleep on the ground. I with my homework. Someone said I will get the ice cream and come to pass the test, me, please.
No.
Mommy, like how me get 97, me can get the ice cream, please.
And that. Can't take it. Alright, I'm gonna sleep on the bed.
I figured because of this call. Yes, I've collected them. But I was calling you, I wasn't getting them. Yes, I'm okay.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing one of the many things you bought. One of the romper.
Alright, so we're just gonna try touching and making notes and alright. You know what I mean? And everything's good, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright, so I will call the podcast because we said I want to carry over. I want to just say that as soon as I touch it down, I'll call you back, okay?
Okay then, no problem.
Alright.
Changes. Happy.
But outside. Yep. Right before banana chips here. The ice cream coming over holiday today. Sure, go on it.
No, so I'm glad to see you come.
Yeah?
We want to talk to your father there.
What no?
Things kinda change up and we can't go continue this.
What do you mean I can't continue this? What I talk about?
To meet somebody.
I don't like saying I'm gonna be broke forever. I'm in love you. I really don't want to take your friend, take your friend, your wicked mother and your sister and carry her go somewhere nice, go live near and go get some start with family. And you really say this to me?
Trevor, we can't be selfish. We have to do this for Susie and mommy. Because at the end of the day, we have to help them out. We have suffered too long.
So this make you happy?
No, but I just lost one guy. Yes. Kasi naman mo nagkataon na me just reach home. See her right here, so. I'll give her the phone and you can talk to her. Clear? Alright. Ten.
Yes, mommy?
You know, secure step on the phone, I call your phone.
No, mommy, phone signal I pick up all the while in here, so.
You know, if the man that call you and can't get you. See him on the phone, you want to talk to him.
Alright, mommy.
Alright.
Babes. Because I signal, man. Alright. What you say? We are travel? When that? Soon as next week? That's not good. Alright then, babes. Make a call it tomorrow. Is that okay? Alright.
Hey, Uncle Juice,
Okay, juice, what kind?
some blended food boy to make.
So all of a sudden you just give me juice.
Yeah, I just want some more tea, so what wrong with it?
Okay. Alright then. Yes, good man.
I got 10 pins across sleeve. I want to talk to her. Come on. 10. I want to talk to you. Hold on, babe. 10. 10. 10. 10. Come on. I want to 10. What you do to her?
You see she dead, my pie is now. I mean, you don't curious skin.
You kill my daughter. Yeah, sit down right there. Sit down. You kill 10, your sister. Let me get rich. You will kill my daughter till 10. My daughter will make me get rich. This a big 10. Yes.
Susie.
Jesus. Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus. I want me to know. Lord. Give me that. Oh God. Lord Jesus. So when I would know. Lord. Oh God, help me. Oh God. Jesus, help me. No one ever do know. The dark at Susie gonna make me Susie.
you.